The animals are leaving. The aliens aren't contacting us. We might be alone. It just might be you and me. But that's okay, because you really need